Alright, this is Cliff from Madison Window Cleaning. Today we're going to talk about how to remove a storm from a window. Here we have the 6 wing nuts, and at the top we have the tabs. To remove the window, we normally would use a screwdriver, but today we're just going to use our hands. Once you remove the wing nuts, you'll just pull out the window from either the bottom or the side with your normal screwdriver, and you just take the window out of the tabs, and there you go. And the same way to put it back in. You put it back in, you just put the windows back onto the tabs. Make sure you put this inside of the windowsill, or frame, I should say. Twist the wing nuts back. And there you go, you have it.